Hello scholars. Do you know today what we are going to start? Today we are going to start chapter 8 from our students book, and the name of that poem is The Mouse's Tale. So scholars, you have to pay attention here that which tale? T-A-L-E. Okay, we are talking about T-A-L-E tale means story. Okay, and very interesting because it's written in a shape of a tail. Which tail? T-A-I-L tail. Okay, let's see. See scholars, here it's given that this poem is taken from Alice Adventures in Wonderland. This poem is taken from this book. The name of the book is given here, that is Alice Adventure in Wonderland. Alice is one name, okay? Alice starts talking to a mouse and tells him that his tale or story is long and sad. Okay, Alice is a character who is writing this book, Alice Adventure in Wonderland, and Alice is talking to a mouse. Okay, this poem is related to that talk only. Alice is talking to a mouse and tells him that his tale or story is long and sad. See, which tale? We are talking here about T-A-L-E. The meaning of that tale is story. Okay, so Alice told to mouse that his story means the story which Alice is writing in his book is very long and sad. Okay, when the mouse starts speaking, Alice begins to wonder why the tale is sad, why the story which is written in book is sad, why that tale is sad. Okay, this takes the shape of a poem, long and shaped like a tail. Okay, when Alice starts thinking about the story and about the thought behind that story, that why this tale or why this story, T-A-L-E tale. Okay, these are homophones. Okay, homophones means the two different words which can be pronounced same but the meaning should be different. Here we have homophones like this one, T-A-I-L tail. Tail means the projected part of animals, right? जो पूंछ होती है. Okay, T-A-I-L tail. And here one more word, T-A-L-E tail means story. Okay, so tail, this one, and T-A-I-L tail, this one are homophones. Okay, homophones means we have to pronounce them same, but there should be, they are carrying different meaning. Okay, so Alice is thinking about story about T-A-L-E tales means story, which is written in Alice Adventure in Wonderland, that why that story is sad. And this poem is in shape of a tail, right? You can see that this poem is texted in shape of one tail, right? T-A-I-L tail. Okay, you have to understand the meaning of tail and T-A-I-L tail. These are the homophones which carrying two different meaning, right? Yes, now let's start the poem. Alice is a character Alice is a character who is writing this poem, means who is talking about this poem. Okay, Furry said to a mouse that he met in the house. Now who is Furry? Furry is a dog, the name of a dog. Furry is a name of a dog. Furry said to a mouse that he met in the house. Let us both go to law. Okay, so Furry is saying to a mouse that let us both go to a law. Law means let us both go to a court. Who? Dog and mouse. Okay, dog is saying to a mouse that let us both go to a court. I will prosecute you. I will prosecute you means I will put charges on you. Okay, who is saying? dog is saying, Furry is saying. Okay, Furry is saying that come, we both will go to law, we both will go to the court, and I will put charges on you, I will prosecute you. Come, I will take no denial. Means I will take no denial means I am not going to ask any witness about your whether you are true or not. I am not going to take any witness. We must have a trial, for really this morning I have nothing to do. Okay, so this dog is saying to the mouse that we must have a trial. We must have a trial means we have to go to the court to prove your crime. Who is saying all this? Dog is saying, Furry is saying to the mouse. Okay, that to prove your crime we must take this trial, means to prove your crime we must go to the court. Okay, and this morning I am not having any work to do. Who said all these things? All these things was said by Furry, the dog. Okay, said the mouse to the cur. Such a trial. Now mouse is saying to the cur. Cur means dog. Okay, same. Now mouse is saying to the Furry that such a trial, dear sir, with no jury or judge, means do you really want such trial? Do you really want to take me to the court and where there will be no judge and no jury? Means there should be someone to judge me and to tell me that whether whatever I did was correct or wrong, like that. There should be someone. So he is asking, this mouse is asking, such a trial, dear sir, with no jury or judge would be wasting our breath. I will be judge, I will be jury, said cunning old Furry. So now what Furry is saying, what the dog is saying, that I will be judge and I will be jury. Okay, if there should be no one, then I will be judge and I will be jury. The whole cause and condemn you to death. So what I will try the whole cause and condemn you to death. Now what he is saying, this old dog, this Furry, what Furry is saying, that I will try my best and I will take all the reasons to punish you, and then in punishment what I am going to give you, I am going to give you death. Okay, who said all these things? This was said by the Furry, the dog. Okay, he said that he want to give punishment, he want to give death to the mouse. Okay, this poem is written by Lewis Carroll, and when you will read this poem you can see many pictures are there, but these pictures are not related to our poem. Okay, these pictures are not related to our poem. See scholars, poem, P-O-E-M, right? We can pronounce it as poem and we can pronounce it as poem. Okay, both pronunciation is correct, right? And the author or the writer of this poem is Lewis Carroll. Okay, you have to remember name, and what you have to do, you have to understand when you will listen again and again this video, you can understand the meaning or the summary of the poem. Okay, you have to try to remember the meanings of these words, the words prosecute, the word which are given in words to know. Okay, and this poem is very simple, very easy to understand and very beautiful, and in shape also it's in tail shape, right? T-A-I-L, tail. One new thing, that is homophones, we are going to learn in this. Okay scholars, in next video we will start something new. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.